Zdravo i dobrodošli u hotel Hilton u Beogradu. Ovaj hotel smešten je u centru grada, nedaleko od Trga Slavija i u blizini muzeja Nikola Tesla. Zoološki vrt takođe nije daleko pešaka. Gradnja ovog prilično modernog hotela sa 5 zvezdica započeta je 2016. godine, a završena 2018. godine. Apsolutno smo srećni i zadovoljni očaravajućom spavaćom sobom koja je dobila posebno mesto u našoj bogatoj istoriji putovanja. Neposredno pored ulaza možete pronaći malo kupatilo. Sljedeća stavka je poklon dobrodošlice i malo svežeg voća. Kao i naravno fantastična dnevna soba u kojoj se možete odmoriti, a takođe možete povezati vaš mobilni telefon sa TV uređajem i uživati u serijama.
But watching series is also possible from the bedroom, of course. You'll find the same TV for a second time, right opposite your bed. The view outside is nothing spectacular, but fine, and the windows are soundproofed. From the bedroom with large wardrobes and a small working desk, you get into the bathroom, the final highlight of the room, but not of the hotel. The bathroom is very large and has a bathtub on the one side and 2 small compartments on the other side. One for the toilet, the other for the walk-in shower. If we have a look under the marble style and the color design here, it strongly reminds us of the Waldorf Astoria in Berlin. And in fact, this hotel also reminded us in terms of staff friendliness and service a lot of the Waldorf, and is really a place where we'll definitely come back. The room in general is very large, very modern, and has a stylish and fresh but elegant design. We spent here 2 nights in July, and we had the chance to have breakfast in 2 different variations.
Još jedna lepa stavka u ovom hotelu su bar i restoran na krovu sa kojeg možete uživati u pogledu na različite delove Beograda.
The second night it was an open buffet, close to what you know from the good old times. Also here there was a large selection of cold and hot meals, so it didn't get boring at all. While we see the hot meals, we can already move on mentally to the next highlight. Since the executive lounge was closed, this hotel offered a happy hour where you could sit outside at the bar and order all kinds of drinks. Additionally, we also received a snack plate, which was absolutely delicious, but see for yourself. This was a more than fair replacement of the missing lounge area, and we enjoyed it very much. One more highlight of this hotel is the rooftop bar and restaurant. Here you can eat and drink, or simply enjoy the view from different sitting possibilities. For the Hilton Belgrade, we award nothing less than 5 out of 5 diamonds. Thank you and goodbye. You're Alex from Gaia Dreams.